Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cover songs using AI. So first of all, you will have to download the song you want to make a cover of, or you can even record your own voice if you want to make a cover of your own voice. So first of all, open your browser, then go to X minus Pro, click enter. Now go here, remove vocals from a song. Now once you're here, select the song you want to make a cover of. Like I have this song, this one. Click on open, select that song, and it will separate the vocals and instrumentals. Now, after the song has been processed, download both the instrumental and the vocals. Download it from here. Download the vocals now. Click on save. Now, the next step is to go to covers AI. Click enter. Go to here. Click on try it now. Now, once you're here, you will have to upload that song vocals. Like I have it here. This one, the song vocals. Select that file and upload that file in some time. Now, while the vocals are being uploaded, we're gonna select a voice. Like, let's say go to streamers, scroll down. Let's say we're gonna make KSI make the cover for that song. Now, once the vocals have been uploaded, enter your email here. After you have done writing your email, tick this box and click on let's go. Now you can either wait here for 5 to 10 minutes and you will get the song here, or you can even quit this window and check in your email in like 5 to 10 minutes and you will have your song there. Now after some time you will have your song here. Now obviously I can't play this song due to some YouTube copyrights. Now you can even decrease the pitch, or you can even increase the pitch, or you can leave it at standard. Now scroll down a bit and you can even download this from here and you can create a new one from here. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use AI to make cover songs. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.